Right, hey everyone, new video, workshop video. Working on getting the drains hooked up in this video and doing some more cob. Just worked on getting this contraption made. It's going to screw on, catch the water and send it down into the drains. So let's just get that. With all this rain I've had, it's all just getting soggy around here, so I need to get all this hooked up. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. On. Okay, so we just hook this up to there. And that bit. And that bit. That should work. It's not the most attractive looking thing, but it's pretty hard to make stuff like that look nice, so I think we'll just have to go with it. Do you know what? I think I'm going to change it. I didn't like the way it looked. I think I can save a lot of fittings and actually make something that looks nicer by using that in there, bending it and then poking it down into there. So let's give that a try, let's give that a bend like that. And then try and give it a downward bend. The curves of this pipe are going to match the building better, you know. I think it's going to look better too. Yeah, it'll work just as good. We've got downwards, I think. Now there's not downwards. There we go. I think that looks nicer. So that's it. I think we'll go with that. Doesn't look too bad. It's going to get backfilled and stuff a little bit, and I might spray the other bit black. We'll see. If I keep looking at it, it annoys me. I might make something wood or something to cover it. But I don't think it looks too bad. You've got to have something somewhere to get the water down, you know. That's all there is to it. Right, just trying to make a plan of what to do with this one as well. I think it's going to flow along and then find its way down that post. I think that's what we should do. And if that went in there, like that, pull that up there. It's going to need some silicone or something, I think. That would actually work nicely and run down that post then. Okay, let's have a go at getting this pipe up. We've got a few volunteers coming in a couple of days' time to help out a bit. That's going to be a big help. We're going to get a load of cob plastering done over here, hopefully. So there we go, got that one in. I'll dig that down there and that can come off down the hill down here. The other ones go down into the foundation, but that's that one done and that one done. Not too keen on having it running down the post, but it's not a lot I can do about it. It's got to go somewhere. You haven't really seen from this angle, I suppose, have you? Looks nice, right? Let's just turn down the brightness a little bit. There we go. Looks nice there. Morning everyone. Yesterday I got a bit more of these guttering pipes in, so we got one going down from there now. That goes to there. Need another fitting to get it connected up. That's going to be in there. Shallow trench because there's getting stone put on top of this as well. Then it goes to that, and then it just goes down to here where it flows off down the hill. So yeah, this side of the roof just flows down the hill, that side of the roof goes down into the guttering. So yeah, anyway, I've got some volunteers turning up shortly. I've just mixed a big batch of cob, so should have 4 people to help today. So we're going to see about getting all of that done, cobbed up. I think it can be done. Hey everyone, new day. So got a lot done. the volunteers help. They're really good. They've been before, I knew they were good. But yeah, I didn't get much filming done, it's just so busy. But it's done. Check it out. Sucked up a lot of the light, but that will change. Yeah, how cool is that? Shut that. Cob plastering done. Hey chickens, don't you be scratching off the walls now, will you? So yeah, really pleased with that. That was going to be quite a lot of work on my own. That was 2 tons of cob that went on the walls there, which is a mad amount of cob. So now we just got to let it dry and we can lime plaster it. Okay, good morning everyone. So we had to spend a bit of time doing the chickens, but they seem to be pretty safe now, which is good. So now I can get back to working on the workshop. I've been collecting some materials and stuff. I had to take the camper bed out the back of the van. I got some sleepers. They're going to be a door frame. We're going to work on that in the next video and start building the doors. I'm going to go and collect a thicknessing planer thicknesser, and do some other bits. But for now, we just need to get this plastering finished. I've got a little section there, which is a little detailed overhangy bit, and I've got a bit up there that I need to finish. So I'm going to get that done today, and then we can start thinking about doing a door frame and putting some windows in. Right, I've mixed up a batch of cob and I'm going to get these bits done. The trouble is here is the bag sticking out considerably further than the windowsill, so the cob's just going to have a tendency of wanting to flop off. I'd like to be able to see a bit of this wood, so I'm going to put in just some of these fencing nails, and that's going to support the cob against that wood. Make it a bit stronger, so try and hold around this corner here, around this lip. So I'm going to get some support bits in, attach to them, and then work our way up from there. If you've got a funny bit like this that is overhung or whatever, start at the bottom and then the mass you put on top of it has something to sit on. Just try and get holding points, like in between that bag is a good holding point, and then all into here. Maybe not. The cob above it is still wet. There's no need to wet it. So yeah, anyway, the plan for the workshop is obviously we've got a bit of an issue with the time of year now, and I need to do lime plastering on top of all this cob. I can't really do that, start that now, because the temperatures are going to be getting too cold for it. So because of that, we're going to be forced to do things in a bit of a funny order so that we can keep working over the winter. So I'm going to get planer thicknesser and a table saw, 2 tools that I don't have but really need to do a nice job of the door frame and doors. So I'm going to go and get one of them, because I've just had a video do quite well. The carding machine video I've done quite well, so I'm going to use that money from that to buy a table saw and planer thicknesser. So yeah, then the plan is going to be to build the door frame. I've got the sleepers out there for that, and then we're going to get the planer thicknesser in here and the table saw, we're going to build the doors for the workshop. Sorry, it's quite hard to concentrate on this and talk at the same time, but we'll get there. So yeah, then we're going to do the doors, and then I'm going to fit the windows, and then I'm going to fit a wood stove, and then we'll be sealed up, and I'll be able to do the plastering once that's done, because we'll have the wood stove and be able to keep the temperature. It won't be on high, you don't want to dry the place out too quick, but we'll have the wood stove there so we can keep the temperature sort of well above. I think really 5 degrees is about the lowest temperature you want to go. It might be alright in here because it's earth sheltered. If we get a particularly cold spell or something, you know, it just seems to, I think it's the best thing to do to get a wood stove going in here if I want to plaster, because the drying times will be just ridiculous if I don't anyway. Well, not drying times, but curing times. So yeah, I think that's the plan. So finish the cob, leave it, work on the door frame, get the new tools to build the doors, get a big bench built as well. Forgot about the bench. I need a nice big bench to build nice doors on, so I'm going to get a bench built as well, and then use the workshop and the bench and the planer thicknesser and the new table saw and all that stuff to get the workshop into a position where we can then seal it all up and everything. So I can also do the door frames, the window frames and all that stuff with those tools in here. And then once we're sealed up, come back to the plastering, plaster, and then once that's all done, then we can take those tools out just into the sheltered area, the sheltered canopy area. Take them out of here, lay down just probably a stone, compacted stone floor I think we're going to go for, and then bring the tools back in. And then come springtime, or sort of late spring, we'll be starting on the top workshop. Then yeah, bag it again. So yeah, I think that's going to be the plan. I think it'll work well. Got my eye on a planer thicknesser, so I think that's what we're going to do. I'm going to use sleepers for the door frame. The roundwood posts that we've got on there already aren't really suitable to hang the heavy doors that I'm planning to. So we're building a frame around that with square timber out of hardwood sleepers. Now before you all say, can't use sleepers, they're toxic, full of all this crap and everything and this and that, and they'll kill you and everything like that. These are untreated Jara Australian tropical hardwood sleepers, and they're incredibly durable wood. They're about 100 years old already, and they'll probably last another 100 years. And they were cut down a very long time ago, and they've already been used, and I get them second hand, so well, yeah, second hand, 100 years old, and they're a good wood to build something like a door frame that's going to be exposed and part of it sitting on the ground. So yeah, we're going to use them for the frame, then we're going to get some new larch for the doors themselves. But yeah, we need to up our workshop capabilities before I can do complex stuff like that. Okay, that is the main bulk of the cob done. Well, really all the cob. There's probably, I'm going to do a few more bits. I just got the main mass in that. I need that to stiffen up before I can properly seal it all up to the roof. But that is essentially done. It just needs a bucket full of cob just to smooth it out. All around the roof is all done. So we still got wet areas. You see I'm getting a bit of mould growth. That area is a bit thicker, and I had a bit of water running in from the back. I've sorted that out now, so that'll dry out, but it's going to take a little while this time of year. Yeah, we just need to let this dry for a long time now, and then so because of that I'm going to have to figure out other things to do, and so we're going to do the door. I've started designing it, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the frame in the next video, and then the video after that probably build a big workbench. The video after that be the doors, and there'll probably be windows at some point in there too. But I'm very pleased that it's coming. Got the cob done. That's a big job done. So yeah, that is going to be the end of the video. I know it's not been a too entertaining one, too much content, but it's definitely a milestone. Cob is done. Okay, so hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.